Known for its benefits to the human body since ancient time, garlic is a food that is frequently used both to improve health and to add flavor to meals. The positive effects of garlic, which is a natural antibiotic, on health do not end with counting, and researches reveal a new benefit every day. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Therefore, this nutrient, which provides incredible benefits to our body, is good for many physiological problems when consumed in the right amount and time. What are the benefits and harms of garlic consumption? How, when and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming just 1 clove of garlic a day? Garlic, which regulates the fluidity of the blood, contributes to the normalization of blood pressure by relieving the contraction and tension in the vessels. It is very rich in flavonoids, which have positive effects on the regulation of cholesterol levels in blood vessels and help prevent plaque accumulation in the vessels. It also fights triglyceride formation. On the other hand, if this food is consumed in small amount, it purifies the entire digestive system from bacteria and toxins with its anti-inflammatory effects. The compounds in it have lethal effects against pathogens, microorganisms and parasites. This nutrient also strengthens the walls of the cell structure. It helps the organism to get rid of toxins that are harmful to it. Thus, it supports the liver and prevents its wear. In addition, the pectin substance it contains helps to balance blood sugar and provides protection against sugar imbalances. It takes very important responsibilities for the regulation of blood sugar levels. Specifically, quercetin and phosphorus cooperate to slow the absorption of sugar in the gut. With its contribution to both blood sugar and digestive system, the vitamin C it contains increases the quality of metabolic activities in the body. A clove of garlic against diseases. This nutrient acts as a shield against microbiological factors such as bacteria, viruses and fungi. 1 clove of garlic meets 15% of a person's daily vitamin C needs. As an antioxidant, vitamin C cooperates with other compounds in the body and supports our body in cases of weak immune system such as colds, flu and flu. Garlic for a healthier brain structure. Neurotoxins can form in the brain that inhibit certain functions. Garlic, which has a high antioxidant content, binds to harmful toxins in the body and throws them out. Therefore, it has a relaxing effect on the nervous system. At the same time, garlic fights both acute and chronic pain, since it contains beneficial compounds in the protection of joint and muscle tissue. It is good for many physiological problems, especially injuries caused by impact. It also cleans the skin by acting as a detox. It eliminates acne and blackheads due to its antibacterial properties, tightens the pores, contributes to collagen production. It plays a very important role in healthy collagen production, tissue repair and cell regeneration. Garlic, which accelerates blood circulation and strengthens hair follicles, is very effective in preventing hair loss. So, is there any harm in such a beneficial food? First of all, garlic, which has blood-thinning properties, can increase the effect of blood thinners. For this reason, people who use drugs constantly should consult their doctor before consuming garlic and garlic juice. However, garlic, with its antiviral and antimicrobial properties, begins to clean all the digestion and intestines as soon as it enters the body. This situation turns negative when consumed in excess and excessive amount. In the light of this information, you can add garlic to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, be informed.